Hey guys, on this video I would like to talk to you about automated emails and how to use automated emails for branding and making more sales. What are automated emails? Automated emails are emails that are being sent automatically from your website. The most common one is cart abandonment email. Someone was on your website, on your online shop, they added a product to their cart, but they didn't buy it. They didn't continue and make the order, they just went away or whatever. Automatically, they should get an email to finish their order. You can use your automated emails first to save a sale and finish an order, which means immediate sales. The second thing is customer retention, which means bring them back after they bought 10 months from now, a week from now. And the third thing is work on your branding, because with those emails you can create better brand awareness, you can have better connection and emotion and positive bond between your customers and your brand and your product, your business, your service. If you don't have any automated email system, or if you don't use automated email, you have to start and do that. I know that there are platforms such as Shopify that has cart abandonment email as part of the platform, but others don't. And even if they do, one email is not enough for abandonment. It should be a series. So there are tons of other CRM or automated emails platforms and companies and services. I will have a link to one of them that I really like when work with, and it's really easy. Down in the description there will be a link, of course. Go and check it out. If you use only one email, for instance the cart abandonment email that you have on Wix or you have on Shopify, that's only one email. That's not enough. There has to be a series of emails to save that order, or even after you save that order, to create more order, to make them come back. Most businesses are like, hey, you forgot something, here 20% off. I don't want people to come with the 20% off. First of all, they know that they forgot it. And second of all, everybody gets the same emails. How many times were you adding to cart on some website and you got an email, hey, you forgot something in your cart? Everybody uses the same text, the same copy. You have to be different. And the best way to be different is to be on brand, which means perfectly to your brand. Write the copy that your customer base would like to hear. Something that is aligned between your product DNA, your brand DNA, and your customer base. If your customers like humor, you can use something funny. If they're into fast cars, use something that correlates, speed or being fast, not the laconic, hey, you forgot something. Second thing, be personalized. You can use a piece of HTML in those emails to use the customer's name and the product they added to cart. The whole use of discounts. Use a discount when you have a sale, when there's a reason for a discount. If you tell them, hey guys, immediately, the first time you touch them is take a discount. Touch, I mean touch point. An email is a touch point, not that kind of touch. If the first email that they get from you is a discount, usually they will not use it, or they will use it that time and that's it. They will want discounts all the time. So try to grab them with something else. And that's why you can use a series. The first thing, just tell them that they forgot about it. They forgot some product and you just remind them. Let's say that email will go out to them in an hour since they abandoned their cart. The day later, You can remind them that they forgot something. That's the second email in this series. Give them some kind of valuable information about the product. Send them in that email a great testimonial from someone who used that product. No discount, just the fact that they are missing on that product. If they checked about that product, now they have some questions. If they didn't buy it, that means that they are interested in it. They have a few questions. Now you need to close the gap between what they want and what they have. And then the third email, maybe, can be with a little discount. But it doesn't have to. What you can do is wait a little bit, wait like a week, and only then send a little discount. But don't throw the discount just to grab someone. If they don't want to be on your website, if they don't want to use your product, sayonara. We don't want them to use the product. We want people who actually want your product, who actually like your product, like your company, or like your service. Which brings us to retention. Customer retention is so much better than customer acquisition. Let's think about it in ROI, return on investment. Let's say that you put $10 to acquire a customer. You spend $10 to get one customer. So if that customer just buys once and he buys, let's say, for $50, that means that you have $40 profit on him because you spent $10 to get them. Now, if they buy again 2 weeks from now, 2 months from now, all of a sudden you have a much higher ROI because you spent only $10 and they already bought twice. So if you make retention, if you make them come back and buy again and again, the ROI gets much higher. You spend less on them as a client. Great emails to create relationship and customer retentions are valuable emails. If they bought something, you can send them an email with videos about what other people did with this product, or what are the 3 best things to use this product for, what are the 2 best ways to use this product, or some free advice, or a testimonial, or something from your social media that shows other people that bought this product or use this service and what they do with that. So with those emails, you show them that they're not the only ones, that people like it. You give them a lot of valuable information, what they can do. All these things creates trust between you and your customers. After they get the product, because you know from the shipping company that they get it, you can send them another email. Hey dude, thanks for doing this and that. I know that you got it. Let me know how it is. Hope everything is great. Wishlist strategy. You send your customers emails about that promotion or new product or new collection, whatever it is that you plan in the future, with mock-ups of the products. Show them how much it will cost, all the details that they need, and tell them that they can click to add those products or those products in the new discount that you will plan to their wish list. The idea is that they will click add to wish list. If they click add to wish list, they will get an email reminding them when it's on. The new product, the launch, the discount, the promotion, the collection, they will get an automated email from you so they can buy it and enjoy or benefit that product, discount, or whatever. Now for you, you get a lot of data and information about what you plan for the future. If no one clicks add to wish list, that means that the product that you plan, your customers don't care about it. So you need to change or not produce it, or not even have expenses on producing this specific product that you thought that will be amazing. This way you can try the water before you actually produce something. This gives you tons of control on your expenses and on your income and inventory. Let's think about a Christmas wish list. You can do a Christmas wish list email 3 months before Christmas. This gives you the opportunity to predict sales in the future. If you send a Christmas wish list email 3 months before Christmas, and you can see who added what, how many products of this Christmas sale people actually added, which product, what prices, you can control and predict your Christmas sale much better. You can predict the inventory that you will need. You can predict what you should do, what you should pay money on, what expenses you should have and what not. This is tons of data only from sending one email. How do you use automated emails for branding? You need to define your brand and define your customers. And you see what they are interested in, what moves them, what will create a great bond, an emotional positive thinking and feeling between them and your product. And you start communicate that in emails. So let's recap everything that we learned today about how to use automated emails to create sales, brand awareness, and customer retention. The most important thing is not to try and get people with discount. The second thing is not to try and get people who don't really want to be part of your tribe, who don't really want to use your product. The third lesson is to be consistent with more than one email per behavior. Have a cart abandonment email series. The next thing is to use personalization and segmentation. Use their name, the product that they added to cart, a photo of that. Super important, when you work on your automated emails, be on brand. You have to align your copy, your images, your offers to the customer base. So again, don't think about yourself, your company, and your product. Think about your customer. The more you will think about your customer, the better your emails will work. Think what they want to have, what kind of copy they want to read. Is it about being smart? Is it about being funny? Is it about being sexy, confident, rich, successful? So if you're looking for a real good automated email platform, and you should have one, go check the one in the description. There's a link there. Go and learn more about it. And again, the most important thing, it's not about you. It's about them. Think about your customers. Don't think about yourself.